How to show battery life percentage for iPhones without the home button. To show the battery life, open the Settings app. Navigate to the Battery section. Then toggle on Battery Percentage. Now the battery percentage is now visible every time. The color of the battery will also adapt to the battery life. Like when you toggle on low power mode, it turns yellow, green for charging, or when the battery life is 20% or below, it will turn red. Note that showing the battery life percentage will replace the battery progress bar. That is it. I hope this helps you. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. This has been Techno Voyager. I'll catch you in the next video.